We are at the Fairfax County Government Center today, and we are distributing the COVID-19 vaccine. We have more than 4,000 healthcare workers coming through that are not affiliated already with the Inova or Reston hospital systems. They have already made their appointment, so this is by appointment only. And when they arrive, they receive a text message that it's time to check in. They're instructed to wait in their car until they receive that text message so we can ensure proper social distancing within the building. When they do receive that message, they come inside, they check in, receive their vaccine, and then they move to an area of the government center where they wait for an either 15 or 30-minute period for any adverse event monitoring. So it's extremely important for our healthcare personnel to be vaccinated today. Firstly, because they meet that definition that's been set forth by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and also the Virginia Department of Health. We want to have our frontline workers receive that vaccine so they can continue the important fight against COVID-19. And it's important to note that vaccination is a basic tenet of public health. We've vaccinated across time for other diseases, and we are going to continue to do that with COVID-19 so we can stop the spread of disease. We've been planning for this for months, and we're so excited that the day is here where we get to process a large number of our healthcare workers through the Fairfax County Government Center. And it's been such a great experience working with all of the partners who have really made all of this possible. And we look forward to getting vaccine into our community across time to end the spread of COVID-19.